So for today's video guys, I have new products to use, new products to show to you. Well, alam niyo naman, hindi naman like new in the market, pero like new here on my channel. Ngayon ko pala ipapakita. I have a skincare and makeup na gagamitin as I get ready. So let's start. Umpisahan natin. Hindi pa ako nagsi-skin prep sa skincare you guys. Ang Skinpotions, meron silang bagong packaging doon sa mga favorite products natin. So lahat sila ay naka-ganitong bottle na may pump. Okay, so we have here the aloe vera gel. This is the Skin Saver gel. Over here is my favorite, yung tomato serum. And you guys, I highly recommend itong tomato serum kasi nung ginagamit ko to before, hindi ko alam ba't hindi na ako bumili. Nung ginagamit ko to before, okay yung skin ko. Like, nagbe-breakout ako, pero lalo na pag it's time of the month. Pero like, hindi ganun kalalaki yung mga pimples ko and then ang bilis yung mag-dry. So, highly recommend this. And then, I also have itong Glass Skin. Ito ang kanilang moisturizing pimple cream. And I'm happy that they have this moisturizing pimple cream kasi aminin natin, karamihan sa mga gamot or pampahid or cream sa mga pimples is nakaka-dry. So it's good to know that this one is moisturizing. And then this one, ito ginagamit ko to every night, every now and then, not every day because sometimes tinatamad ako. This is the Snowberry Sleeping Cream Mask. And every time I use this, the next day, parang ang fresh ng skin ko, parang ang saya-saya ng skin ko. Hindi ka mukhang dry and dull. Alam mo yun? So, I do also recommend itong Snowberry. But, for today's skincare, itong dalawa yung magagamit ko. Si Glass Skin, because I have so many breakouts. So, yun yung first layer natin. And then, kapag na-absorb na siya ng skin, ipapatong ko si tomato serum. Sorry guys kung naglalaro yung ilaw ko ngayon kasi naglalaro din yung araw. So, waiting for my skin to absorb yung first moisturizer natin. I'm gonna do my brows na. EB Advance Silky Brown Liner. And then, at dahil medyo light-lightan yung hair ko ngayon, nag-retouch ako ng roots. I'm gonna pair it with Detail Makeover Makeup Brow Mascara. By the way, yung Detail Makeover, parang hindi na sila Detail Makeover. Parang detail na lang sila. Oo, sa pangalan nila, pag tinignan mo yung Instagram dahil, wala na yung salitang makeover. They're like, detail na lang. Now that my skin has absorbed yung first moisturizer, mag-tomato serum na tayo. So, next product na ipapakita ko guys, bago yung base ko is, isa-isayin ko muna kasi bumili ako ng maraming Luna Organics na products. I'm pretty sure alam niyo na to, it's all over Shopee and Lazada. Luna Organics. So, ito yung mga products na binili ko. Iba-ibang type kasi I wanna test the different types. Sige, unahin natin ito si Glow Gloss. This is basically a lip gloss. So this is what it looks like a gloss. Next product that I got is yung Prim Kiss Inks Powder Matte Lip Tint. This is what it looks like. Very pigmented and nagda-dry siya into a powdery matte, but you guys, it's not that long lasting, so hindi ako masyadong. Tsaka hindi siya transfer proof, kiss proof, alam mo yon, talagang siya, nakapatong na siya sa labi mo, pero sayang, very pigmented siya. Next product that I got is this one right here. Ito ang Mousse Blush, and then I got the shade Tootsie. Sorry guys pare-parehas yung tema nung binili ko. Sorry, ang dami kong nilagay. Pero, okay. Dito, lightan natin. Para makita nyo what it looks like. It's going to be a blush. Ayan. Pero ito, hindi siya like matte blush. Meron siyang konting sheen to it if you're going to use it as your blush. Ayan, very, very pigmented. But the only problem na in-encounter ko dito, guys, is ang bilis niyang manigas. So, bago ko ito gamitin, binababad ko sa hot water, Ito, ang bilis tumigas at kasabay niyang mabilis tumigas, itong Luna Organics Mallow Stain, and I got the shade Ramona. Ang ganda rin sana nito, pero ang bilis din talagang tumigas. Ayan, This is a very, hindi siya parang, actually parang siyang liquid lip tint in a roller. Tapos, very pigmented. Hindi ko lang alam how long lasting this is kasi hindi ko pa natetesting. Tapos, pero sayang, ang ganda sana ito. Ang bilis lang talaga tumigas. Binabad ko din today sa hot water. And then lastly, meron silang Freckles. Ayan. Sorry pare-parehas yung tema ng colors ng binili ko. Ito, tumitigas din to, guys. So, isa rin to sa mga binabad ko sa hot water. So, this multi-pot, it's very, very thick. Medyo mahirap siyang i-blend. Parang kailangan, pag gagamitin mo to as eyeshadow, i-warm up mo muna sa back of your hand bago mo malagay sa eyeshadow. And then, pag ginamit mo to as a, ang tawag dito, sa cheeks mo, medyo kailangan talaga warm up siya. Kasi medyo idadrag niya yung foundation mo or yung BB cream mo. Kasi nga, it's very, very thick. So, sa lahat ng mga products na tinry ko sa Luna Organics, ang favorites ko is itong Glow Gloss. I do recommend that you try this. And then, itong si Mallow Stain because it's very pigmented talaga, guys. Hindi ko lang talaga alam kung gano'n siya ka lang lasting. Pwede na rin tong si Mousse Blush. Kaya lang, kasi mas friendly to kaysa dito kay Multipot. Si Multipot talaga sagad-sagara ng tigas. So, for my blush, nakita niyo naman dito, I think I'm gonna go for the Mousse Blush. Mag-aano pala muna ako. Magpa-primer. Golden Sunshine ng Pond's Insta Bright Glow Up Cream. Relax, guys. At doon ko na nga gagamitin itong BLK Skin Tint Sun Shield Illuminating. So, eto ka na nga, guys. So, yun yung palagi akong ginagawa if I want my blush to be like parang I bloom from within, tapos parang long-lasting pa siya. Inuuna ko muna yung blush, matinding pigment ng blush, and saka ko papatungan ng aking BB cream or ng aking foundation. For my eyeshadow, sige na, subukan na natin tong si Multipot. Wala akong naglagay dito sa nose. Nawala yung sa lips. And then, I'm going to contour. I want to deepen up my eye look, so Vice Cosmetics palette, I'm going to get this shade. Ay, wait guys. Bago ko pala i-contour yung nose ko, maglalagay ko ng faux freckles. I hope you don't mind. Parang, I know it's maulan nowadays, but who can stop me? Sorry. So, ang gamit ko is itong eyebrow mascara ng Sunny's Face. Pero kung gusto nyo guys ng faux freckles na mas matindi pang matagalan, gamitin nyo yung L'Oreal Untitled Brow. Pero parang ayoko naman gamitin yan ngayon. I'm gonna wait for it to set muna. Pero, I don't know what to put on my lips. Pero papakita ko muna itong Luna Organics Glow Gloss, what it looks like on the lips. It's actually a very nice gloss. Kaya lang parang wala ako sa mood mag-glossy. Parang gusto ko ng matte pa din, but like, you know, skin-like. Or, skin-like. Your lips but better, if you know what I mean. I think I'm gonna go for Kiss'em in IKR. I know, right? I'm going to contour na my nosicles. So I'm not gonna highlight anymore, but I'm going to set my face with the glow dust para, alam mo yun, ma-maintain yung glowy, dewy-ish freshness na aking face. Alright guys, so this is the finished look right here. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!